All right, Hannah, thank you. Tonight, state police are still hunting for answers after a chain reaction crash on the 190 South that injured a trooper over the weekend.
Now, this happened on Grand Island. Police tell us that Trooper Joseph Mena was out of his car for a traffic stop when this multi-vehicle crash happened nearby. Then he was struck and pushed over a guardrail. This crash reminiscent of an incident that happened and killed Trooper Kevin Dobson on the 290 back in 2011. That incident sparked the move over law here in New York, but is that law really working? 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Riley picks up our story. He's live in Cheektowaga for us tonight.
Well, Keith and Joanna, the accident injured New York State Trooper Joseph Mena. He was taken to the Erie County Medical Center and treated for minor injuries. And while many people are very thankful that he's okay tonight, officials are now reminding all drivers that they really need to follow all parts of New York's move-over law.
I mean, it's a terrible thing. We obviously never want that to happen. The biggest relief is that he has non-life-threatening injuries.
These are the vehicles that were involved in the 4-car accident that ended up hurting Trooper Joseph Mena on Saturday night. According to state police, as the trooper got out of his car to make a traffic stop on the I-190 South between Long and Whitehaven Roads on Grand Island, a female driver in this car hit her brakes and lost control, causing a chain reaction crash with other vehicles attempting to move over. It ended when the pileup hit this SUV, pushing Trooper Mena over a guardrail and down an embankment.
Think of you or a loved one standing out on the side of the road. How fast would you want a car going by them out there?
While the accident is still under investigation for the driving public, it is a reminder how important it is to properly follow all parts of New York's move-over law.
A lot of people will move over, but they'll continue their same speed and not take that extra precaution of slowing down.
The law has made things safer overall, but there are still too many people who forget the importance of slowing down when coming upon emergency vehicles on a highway.
Being conscious that there might be debris or something in the road that you might end up flinging toward that emergency worker.
Distracted driving is also a factor, as motorists don't take action until the last second. And coming to a screeching halt when traveling 65 miles per hour creates a dangerous situation for other drivers.
Yeah, they'll stop right in the middle of their lane and put their blinker on.
Thruway officials advise slowing down by at least 20 miles per hour, even when changing lanes, when coming up to police, ambulance, tow truck drivers, or state DOT workers with flashing lights. So what's it like standing out there along the side of the thruway with cars zipping by at 65, 70 miles per hour? Well, coming up at 6 p.m. we have some very dramatic video to show you how dangerous and scary it can be. Live in Cheektowaga, Ed Riley, 7 Eyewitness News.